Good afternoon. Thanks, Paritosh and Dr. Neeraj. Mahesh. What's up? Debates, yes, debates are okay to debate, but then not all of them convey what we should convey. Slide show, yes. There are multiple, sorry, please. Yeah. There are multiple ways to plug holes. Yeah, this was the famous gentleman, famous boy in, yeah, who put his finger inside and then saved the city or village or whatever. So yes, we can stuff something into the thing, and the macro hole has become like a dustbin that we put anything and everything there. But that's not the key. But not all the times we will be able to get away with a wide ILM peeling or an inverse flap. There are situations like this. I'll show you one patient who has had a optic disc pit associated macular retinal detachment, and the patient recurred. So I had already peeled the ILM. So what do I do now? Peel the ILM from somewhere in the periphery and go and stuff it in the central part. Well, there's nothing much that you can be done because the ILM had already been peeled, and there was a hole and there was an RD. So something had to be there to close that hole which was causing the retinal detachment. So in such a situation, I would do this: stuff the ILM which is around, peel it up, and then stick it to the center part of the hole. Then, and this is the post-operative result. You can see the schisis associated with the hole, and the hole is closed post-surgery. This is another patient, once again, like had a failed macular hole surgery and a macular hole RD. So the patient had had a cataract also. So patient underwent cataract surgery. Had asked the surgeon to save the capsule, anterior capsule. So take it and take a little bit of it and stuff it. Once again, you can see the retinal detachment associated with the macular hole. And here again, like we had peeled the ILM earlier and there was no ILM to peel. In such a situation, you need something to close the hole, and that's when you do this. Stick it to the anterior capsular flap. I have used a posterior capsular flap also. In a pseudophakic patient, we can do a small piece of the posterior capsule, we can remove it and stuff it as well. This was again a patient with macular hole retinal detachment, and you can see something that looks like an epiretinal membrane or an LHEP, the laminar hole associated epiretinal proliferation. The LHEP tissue is actually retinal tissue. So that once you remove that fibrous tissue from around it, that comes like a retinal tissue, which you can once again stuff it inside and close the hole. And the last one, this lady was 29-year-old high myope, recurrent RD with PVR, anomalous posterior hyaloid. And again, the macular hole had opened up. So what did I do? So raid the corneal surgeon, remove the amniotic membrane. So use that to stuff the hole as well. So in this situation, there's a high myope with a recurrent RD with PVR and the open macular hole. So we use the amniotic membrane to stuff the hole. So then there's the post-operative appearance. You can see the amniotic membrane sitting there and plugging it. So we don't use this stuffing for regular holes. It's only in special situations when there is macular hole retinal detachment and failed prior surgery, and there is paucity of tissue which would allow us to otherwise close the hole without stuffing it. The aim of the surgery where I stuff something is a mechanical barrier to close the hole to allow the retina to reattach, and not for closing the hole to improve the vision, and this is an alternate to lasering the hole. Thank you. Finished.
Thank you.
Dr. Srinivas has come, Dr. Meena is there.
Dr. Srinivas is there. So primarily you are doing stuffing only for retinal detachment along with macular hole. Resurgeries. And how do you ensure like the free flap remains at the macular hole, it doesn't get swayed by the fluid currents in the eye? Okay. And using, I think, Helon type is more useful. Regular visco only. Right. Just to keep stable. Yeah, it floats. Yeah, it's very difficult to. Yeah. Yes. Because even this flap gets stuck to the tip of the forceps also. It doesn't